Hi, in this video I'm gonna be walking through how to add a video background in WordPress website. First of all, you have to install the Elementor plugin on your WordPress. So install Elementor and activate it. Now let's create a new page, and you can write here a page title and then just click on edit with Elementor. Once you are in Elementor, now here let's add a new container. And which layout would you like to use? Select flex box and select your structure. I'm selecting this first structure. And once the structure added, now to make your video background full screen or full width, click on the settings icon. And page layout, here select Elementor full width. Okay, now it's time to add here a video background. So just click on this plus icon, and in this search widget you have to type here so all you have to add this container here. Once the container added, now go to style tab, and here click on background, and background type select video. And now in this box you have to paste your video link. So here is no option to add a video from your computer, so you have to add here your video link. So here's I'm going to copying a YouTube video link and just pasting the link here, and here as you can see the video successfully added. Now it's time to make the video full width. To do that, go to layout, and here using this minimum height slider you will be able to increase the video height like this. Once you are happy, now you can and now if you want to add overlay to your background video, go to style, and here click on background overlay and click on this classic icon, select color, and go ahead and select background overlay color from here. So I'm selecting black color, and now you can change your overlay opacity using this slider. And now it's time to add here content. So I'm going to widget section and just adding heading first of all. Once the heading added, you can change your heading from here. Go to style tab, and from here you can change your heading text color. So I'm going to content and selecting H3 here, and now go to advanced section, and from here you will be able to align your heading text, and I'm giving some margin here and going to widget again, and now I'm just adding text editor under the heading, and here you can add your description, short description basically. Then going to style and changing the text color or paragraph color, and changing alignment for this text, and giving a page line break here, and go to, and here I'm searching for button, and let's add a button here under the paragraph. Once the button added, you can go to style and you can go to advanced, and here you can change button alignment. To change button design, go to style tab, and here you can change button background color just like so. You can change button text color from here, and to link something with this button, go to content, and here in this link box you can add a link for the button. And as you can see, I've successfully added a video background on my WordPress website, and it's working perfectly.